Hi, in this video we will see how we can establish an telnet or SSH connection using PuTTY. As you can see, I have already installed a PuTTY software on my desktop. So this is the PuTTY software which is highlighted, putty.exe, which is free on internet. You can just download it. Once you download, you can just double click on this, click on run. Then this pop-up window will open wherein you have to provide the host name or the IP address in this text box, and this port is 22 for SSH and 23 for telnet. So by default SSH will be enabled in this configuration with port 22. You need to type in the IP address. So let us type in the IP address here, then give the port 22 and then click on open. So once you click on open, the PuTTY session will ask in for login username. You need to give the username and the password. Once you give the username and password, it will be logged in into the session, Linux session, wherein you can use the Linux commands like this, date and other present working directory and other commands for working with the Linux remote machine. So this is how PuTTY is used to do a telnet for logging into the remote machine, from Windows machine to a remote telnet login Unix machine. Thank you. I hope this video is very helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video.